guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Kayla, blogger at kaylaschaos.com, and I'm so excited that you guys are joining me for another video. So since it is about to be Thanksgiving in just a few days, I decided to do a quick makeup tutorial, which is a little out of my comfort zone. I don't consider myself like a professional at makeup at all. Like, I don't contour, I don't bake, like I don't do any of those things, but I figured that if I showed you guys like a fun, easy makeup look, then most of you out there could easily do it if I can do it. So it's just gonna be quick and fun, hopefully, and I'm really excited about it. So if you saw my last video, then you saw that I did a Moschino try on haul and giveaway, and I am still doing the giveaway. I said I would give it 2 weeks, and it hasn't been 2 weeks yet, so you do still have a little bit longer to go enter that giveaway. I will put the link below to the video. All you have to do is watch it, and I have the instructions both in the video and in the caption below, so go check that out if you haven't already. And yeah, so let's just get right into it. This makeup look is gonna be perfect for Thanksgiving for sure, but it could also be worn like throughout the holiday season. It's very like warm and glittery and glitzy, which I feel like is very like in the holiday spirit. So you can definitely wear this makeup look for, you know, Christmas time, or just honestly any day, because who doesn't like to be a little glam sometimes? And yeah, let's just get right into the makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, so first I'm going to prime my face with my ColourPop primer. Okay, and now that my face is primed, I'm also going to put a different primer on my eyelids. So this eye primer is I Got the Power by W7 Cosmetics. I actually haven't really used this, so we'll see how it does, how it holds up. Alright, so for my eye look, I'm going to be using one of my favorite new palettes. It's so perfect for fall and obviously into winter as well. It is the Kylie Cosmetics Kylie and Jordan palette. It's just so pretty. It just looks like a fall palette. Like it's so fall, but yeah. So perfect for Thanksgiving time. So I'm going to start by going in with this light shade right here. It's called Wife Life. So yeah, I'm going to start with Wife Life. And I'm just covering my whole eyelid with this. It's gonna be like, it's basically just a base color. It's light, but it has like an orangey tint to it. Yeah. Now I'm going to go in with this like mauve-y purple, like dark purple color. It's called Love You Bitch, and that I'm going to apply to like this outside area of my lid. So now is the scary part, but also the fun part. I'm going to go in with some loose glitter. This is Anastasia Beverly Hills, and it is called Electric. It's goldish, but like it also has like some iridescent gold in there, or iridescent glitter. So it's a little like bit of different colors, but mostly gold. It's really pretty. So how I'm going to stick this on is I'm going to put a little bit more of the eye primer just like on my hand, and I'm going to dip the brush in that and then dip it in the glitter, and hopefully that works out. I'm going inside of the eyelid. but I'll clean that up. I haven't done like my foundation or concealer yet, so I'll clean that up after. But yeah, it seems to be sticking okay, which is good. Okay, so now we have the purple on the outside and the goldish glitter on the inside. So now I just need to blend it a little better. Obviously it looks a little funky right now. So to blend it, I'm going to take this lighter shade of purple. It's called Soulmate. It's more of like, it's like a light lavender. So I'm using that one to like kind of complement the darker purple and just do a little blending. Let's see how that goes. Okay, so it did blend out okay, but I'm gonna go back in with the purple and the darker purple and touch that up a little bit. Okay, so now we have like this like gradual like purple to gold glitter ombre type thing. I don't even know if that's the right word, but you know. Okay, so now I'm gonna add some eyeliner. I'm using Rihanna's Fenty Beauty Fly Liner in Cause I'm Black. So now I'm going to apply some mascara. This is like my favorite mascara ever. It's the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes. This is from their Mermaid collection, but they still have, you know, this mascara out, I think just in different packaging. And it is my favorite mascara ever.
Perfect, perfect.
Okay, that's already a little better, but now I'm gonna add on the falsies. Okay. They're called Cool Chick. They're by a brand called Good Janes, goodjanes.com. I've never opened these before. They look like they're gonna be pretty casual looking. So yeah, let's give these a try. Okay, so now I have the false lashes on. The eyes are basically done. And yeah, so now let's move on to the rest of the face. My handy dandy Queen of the Fill tinted brow gel. Love this stuff. My eyebrows are really dark, and I usually keep them very natural, so this is all I use.
Perfect, perfect.
Okay, so now that the brows are filled in, time to do the face. So for my foundation, I'm using Fenty Beauty Pro Filter in shade 210. I have a brand new beauty blender because my other ones are so disgusting. So I have a new beauty blender. I'm just gonna get this a little damp. Okay, and now for the concealer, I'm using the Creaseless Concealer by Tarte. I love this stuff. It's very similar to the Shape Tape from my understanding. I know Shape Tape is like Tarte's really popular concealer, and I've never owned it, but this stuff is great. This little concealer blending brush. Sometimes I use my beauty blender, but this brush is fine too. For a little little like bronzy highlight, I'm using this Marc Jacobs, has a long name, Omega Glaze All Over Foil Illuminizer. It's so pretty. Okay, and now for the lips. I am going to start with this chocolatey brown. It's called Unveil from Fenty Beauty. It's so pretty. The Stunna lip paint is honestly like so amazing. It stays on so long and it just like applies really easily. It dries and then you like forget it's there. It just is so comfortable to wear. Such a great product. This is my favorite liquid lipstick, like for sure, hands down. So I feel like this matte lip is a really good option for like Thanksgiving. It's very earthy, very pretty, but like still bold, and that's what I love about it. It's like kind of neutral and kind of like bam, you know, so I love it. But I'm actually gonna add some gloss over this since we're doing like this glitzy glam look. I decided to just be extra and go all the way with it. So I'm gonna let this dry for like 1 second and then I'm going to go in with some glitter gloss. Okay, so for the last step, I'm going to take this Anastasia Beverly Hills gloss. This is in citrine lip gloss. So once again, like very goldy, kind of iridescent. And we're gonna put this over. I have not tried this before, so I'm not sure how crazy it's gonna look, but we're just gonna go for it because it's the holidays and we can be extra if we want to be. So we doing it big. Okay, so at first I was a little scared. I thought it was gonna be like, whoa, gold, like too extra, but it actually turned out pretty nice. Yeah, I'm here for it. I'm here for it. I like it. I like these two layered together. It's not too much. I didn't want to look like a disco ball. Like I don't want to be just one gold glitter face, but I actually think it complements the eyes pretty well. Like it is extra, but it's not, you know, it's not absurd. It's not insane. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'll just fix my hair really quick and give you guys a final look at this holiday glam. Alright guys, well that's all I have for you today. Just a reminder to check out my last video and make sure you enter that giveaway. I'm going to be uploading again very, very soon, quite possibly right after Thanksgiving. So be on the lookout for that. And I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little makeup tutorial. Let me know if you like makeup tutorials from me. I know I am not like amazing at makeup, but I mean, hey, that's like part of the charm, right? So yeah, let me know if you like these or if I should just totally stick to like fashion and lifestyle. Let me know. I'm also putting a link to my last blog post below, which is a fall makeup haul. And I actually used a lot of the products that are included in that blog post. So if you want like more details, then definitely head to the blog and check those out. And I hope you guys have a happy Thanksgiving and get pumped because it's almost Christmas time. I'm so psyched. But as always, thank you guys all for being here and checking out my videos and following me on social media. And definitely, if you're new here, like, welcome. Thanks so much for being here. Alright guys, that's all I have for you. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace out, homies. I worry about nothing. I am wearing a nada.
I'm sitting.